Good afternoon to all. Today, welcome to the session to this session on debate and
Good
discussion on
afternoon.
climate change. Okay. Now, I invite Shashank to tell a few words on what's his opinion. I mean, only one or two sentences. Okay.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Yeah, actually, climate change is nothing but shifting of weather patterns due to the effects of global warming and greenhouse effect, which are major caused due to greenhouse gases, which are emitted more through industries, vehicles, burning of fossil fuels, like that. Um, yeah, this also causes many adverse changes in the environment. When according to some studies, almost at the end of year 2100, um, the rise on the sea level would be 1 to 8 feet. I think this is one of the adverse change due to the global warming and greenhouse effect. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Shashank.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, I invite Manikyam, G. Manikyam.
Ma'am.
Just give your opinion on climate change.
Yes, ma'am. So first of all, biodiversity affects climate change because biodiversity has more species richness and many forests in our country as well as in the world. So how the biodiversity affects in climate change? For example, if you take uh, the forest destruction of forest leads to uh, cause global warming due to the absence of trees. So many of the trees in the forest absorbs CO2, which is a major cause of pollutants, which will increase the global warming, and it ultimately leads to the climate change. So if you
Okay.
protect the forest, then it leads to decrease and reduce the climate change effects also. It's my opinion on biodiversity versus climate change.
Okay, thank you, Manikin. Thank you for
Thank
giving your opinion. Divakar, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Divakar, can you give your opinion on climate change, your views and opinion to this
Yes,
debate?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Climate change includes both global warming and resulting in the larger scale shifts in weather patterns. And climate change appears more violent weather phenomena, fires, and the death of animal and plant species, and floodings by the glaciers, and especially in developing countries, climate change is going very worst. I mean, all over the world, and the GM crops are also affecting the climate change. And there are some benefits, I mean, advantages and disadvantages, and mostly the climate change is making the world worst.
Okay. Okay, Divakar. Thank you. Thank you so much for giving your opinion. I think all the three members has given on one thing: climate change versus global warming. Right? All three of you had given only on one change. One thing is changing. That is global warming is causing due to climate change. Right? Divakar, it's your opinion also, right?
Yes, ma'am. I think that's the only thing, ma'am.
Yeah, and also even Manikim said about how the species richness is decreasing due to climate change. It again affects the global warming. Shashank already said rise of sea level in 2100, right? So
Yeah, ma'am.
2100, it's a very
Long period.
near, no, not
Yeah.
very near period because when we are seeing in a scale of global warming and everything according to Earth, it's a very short period.
Yes, ma'am.
So you had given that rise in sea level. So, what are your solutions about this? Are you telling any solutions
Yeah.
about this now?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, when we see the emissions of these greenhouse gases, almost 22% of the greenhouse gases are emitted from industries, and almost 28% of the greenhouse gases are emitted from transportation. I think we cannot stop these industrial emissions, ma'am, because when we see the Indian economy, the second major part is the industrial sector. We cannot stop that, but we can control it. All of us might know that a new technology had come, like carbon capturing technology, which captures
Like the
almost
oxygen
85 to
concentrator. Mm.
carbon capture, ma'am.
Yeah, we were hearing about oxygen concentrator nowadays because of Corona,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Like that carbon capture is there. I
Yeah,
don't know
yeah,
yet. Okay.
carbon capture.
Oh,
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, this carbon capture captures almost 85 to 90% of the CO2 that has been releasing through industries. The work that it does is it just separates the CO2 from the emissions that are from coming from industries, and it stores in the storage cell, which is almost 1 mile, 1 mile or I think 1 mile, 1 mile deep in the ground, and um, we can ask a question like, uh, what would if that storage cell exceeds the CO2?
yeah.
I think scientists are now studying some new ways to convert CO2 into valuable compounds. I think it will just control the CO2, ma'am. No, it will be better, right, ma'am?
Okay. Okay, it will be better time. But one problem is there. If we deposit all the carbon dioxide in inside the earth, the core temperature will be increased, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Like again, global warming is
Yeah.
we are observing in the atmosphere. But when we dump all these things, again the carbon actually increases the temperature. It will concentrate
Yes,
and
ma'am.
increase.
It will
Maybe
increase.
we should look into this also because
Yeah.
if core temperature increases, everything goes wrong again.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, we'll see.
Yeah. I
We'll
think
if possible,
like
we'll yeah,
we can do
carbon
that.
capture. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, okay. Manikyam, what's your solutions on this? Are human activities only causing global warming, or just like deforestation or bio? What is the impact of biodiversity, climate change? I mean, what are those impacts? What happens if climate change, sea level increases, everything goes wrong? What happens to biodiversity?
Yes, ma'am. The climate change adversely affecting the biodiversity, ma'am. It is one of the main cause of species extinction, ma'am. So if you observe, the Amazon rainforest gives 20% of oxygen, ma'am. So that's why it is also called lungs of the earth. So due to the destruction of forest, many of the species has been extinction, and it is disappearing, ma'am. So if you observe, ma'am, the fox, we can say, we see our fathers and ancestors saw the fox. Now the future generation and our generation is unable to see the fox. It is one of the example, ma'am. So cutting of forest uh, leads to climate change, and cutting of forest leads to species extinction, ma'am. So if it is continues, then the face of the world is very vast, ma'am, very vast, and so many drought conditions will also occur, and it again leads to food scarcity.
Okay, you had given a good points on species extension and food scarcity. Okay, they are really time to talk about all those food scarcity because animals extension. I had not even seen a dinosaur, one dinosaur also. Even one trilobite also. I think I didn't say no. So fox, it's okay. Even you know that saber tooth tiger. You know about Shashank, you know, right? Saber-tooth tiger. It was there,
Yeah,
it
ma'am.
seems, up to, yeah, it was there actually. Now it is not there. It was there from 1900s, it was there. Now it is not there. Okay, our main problem is how humans survive. That's the only goal of human species. I think because everything we are doing, it only focuses on that. So food scarcity. We are need to think about food scarcity, right? We'll come next to you on this point only. Okay, thank you, Manikyam.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Uh, Now, Divakar, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me about some solutions of yours.
Actually, climate. We can't stop the climate change within a days or months. It's
Mm,
a long process, but we can manage
mm,
by preventing the air pollution
mm.
and by using renewable energies like I mean, yep, solar energies,
Okay.
appliances,
Mm.
and
Are any human activities causing climate change?
yes, ma'am, absolutely. By the burning of fossils.
Okay.
Actually, ma'am, GM crops are also affecting the climate change.
Okay.
Actually, GM crops consist of a toxicity in their cells. I mean, plant cells. If
Mm.
the insects like pollinators, uh, if they
Yeah.
if
Mm.
they sucks if they sucks the the
GM crops,
plant.
honey.
Ah,
Okay, right.
yes, ma'am. The insects will die.
Mm.
If they die, pollination does not occur. Then the plants,
Mm.
um, will
Ultimately, they will affect in chain. I mean, cycle.
absolutely, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe CO2 will definitely increase.
Mm.
The O2 percentage will decrease.
CO2 is increased by GM crops. I don't know. Actually, I thought they are same utilizing same
Ma'am,
as the normal crops, right?
if the pollinators die, then the oxygen, the plants could not
Okay,
produce
the
the oxygen,
plants
right, ma'am?
won't produce. Okay. Actually, thank you, Divakar. Thank you for your solution. I mean, you gave solution like use of renewable energy and also human activities should be reduced, which create the pollution, right?
Yes, ma'am. And by reducing the water waste, maybe we can stop the climate change, ma'am.
Okay, water
Can
waste.
be good.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Devakar. Now I think we will be in open debate now by all your questions and all your answers. Right. Okay. The first thing I noticed is Shashank has told us like sea level rises and also uh, some carbon capture, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Carbon capture technique. So carbon is actually 0.002%, right?
Yeah, ma'am, in atmosphere.
I think there are so many gases rather than carbon.
Yeah, ma'am,
And
so many gas.
also, yeah, why concentrating only on carbon?
Because the carbon dioxide is majorly causing the greenhouse effect, right, ma'am? Carbon, black carbons like that, ma'am. They just capture the
Actually,
heat.
yeah, they are based on human activities. They are emitting,
Yes,
right?
yes,
So
ma'am.
we may damage the okay conditions. And
Yes, ma'am.
also, you said about 85 to 90% capture.
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it
85
like
to 90.
normally when we yeah 85 to 90% means is it like only the changes in all the environment or it's
No, ma'am.
extra
It's just
pollutants in
to
the pollutant?
yes, pollutants, ma'am. It just captures the gas that is emitted by that industry only, ma'am. Not all the atmosphere, ma'am.
Captures the industrial pollutant. Okay,
Yes,
thank you.
ma'am.
Okay, now I'm going to Manikyam. He said about foxes or something, right? Foxes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So I think it's a very nice thing for all the herbivores, herbivore animals like rabbit. So you said about something species richness, right? Species richness.
Yes, ma'am.
So how the climate change CO2 is affecting the species richness? CO2 is the main topic because you all are spoke about global warming. So maybe CO2 is the main cause in greenhouse effect. It is one of the gas, right?
Yes, ma'am.
CO or CO2, right? No. So what can you say about that? Species richness,
Yes, ma'am. One
how it
thing
is affecting
here,
the.
yes, ma'am. One thing here we can notice here is the plants are main sources to absorb the CO2. Nowadays,
Things.
there
Okay.
are, yes, ma'am. Nowadays, there are so many things that leads to the forest destruction. If the forests are being destructed like this, then there is no source to absorb CO2 and release oxygen gas. So trees not
Okay.
only absorbs carbon dioxide, it also releases oxygen, which is our need for livelihood.
Okay. I had one doubt
So
actually.
yes, ma'am.
Can I ask? Okay. Actually,
Yeah.
oxygen also they will take, no? Through respiration, trees will take oxygen
Yes,
also.
ma'am.
They
Yes, ma'am.
won't give
Majority
just
of the
oxygen only. They will take again.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that's right. No. Then why we are telling again, say plants are emitting. And also, I remember one thermodynamics law. Matter cannot neither be created nor be destroyed. So
Yes, ma'am. First law of
I don't know,
thermodynamics.
just I remembered that. Okay, right. So, okay, if more CO2 is there, what happens to species? Different species which are there. I mean, biodiversity. Is there an impact like that, or they will evolve? I don't know about.
So it may become extinct now. If the more CO2 is
They
there,
may become,
then it will become extinct.
yeah,
Forest.
who can't adapt to CO2, they will extinct. Like
Extinct
us also, we
automatically.
are also not able to adapt to CO2 levels,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So it is again because we are all seeing in a one way, that is homo sapiens centric. Not any other species is important to us. Am I right? Just we are
Yes, ma'am.
saying slogans, everything we are doing, but what we are doing, we are building houses, we are building everything. We need all facilities, and we'll say, okay, let live the species. How can they live? It's not that like that, because we are homo sapiens centric. So one point we can say is we are also will be extinct, because if the species related to us is going to extinct, nearby we are also going to extinct, right?
Yeah,
So we need
absolutely.
to check about that. We need to check about the carbon dioxide. Stop,
Yeah.
how to stop pollution.
Yes.
Okay, okay, right. Divakar,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, you said so much about GM crops, but I'm very much interested. Why you had so much of hate on GM crops? Actually, I saw in your before speech and also now also, you were saying that they are producing toxins. Also, I never heard about that. It's a crop actually, right? And also,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
said they will utilize more carbon oxygen. I mean, something you said about they will release more carbon dioxide. Yeah.
Ma'am, actually, GM crops releases toxins to soil, ma'am.
Mm.
Um, by doing like that, the soil, soil pollution will occur,
Mm.
and actually, um, the plants have the resistance of pest, ma'am.
Mm.
I mean,
Okay. You are saying that if the GM crops are there, the cycle will be damaged. I mean, whole biological cycle will be damaged.
yes, ma'am, biodiversity
Yeah,
destruction.
it will may lead to biodiversity, because some species may rely on only pollination and also some insects and everything. They will take the honey and they will go. If the majority of crop is lost, they won't go for wild crops, because only small amount of honey will be there. So the cycle may be damaged. Yeah. Ultimately, in these discussions, what I saw is everyone was very curious in discussing, but I found some of the solutions you said about it. First one, Shashank had said clearly about carbon capture. Is there anything to add? This is the final conclusions you need to give. So please give your final conclusion. and how
Okay, ma'am.
actually you said about carbon capture,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that may be improved because now we are getting the oxygen concentrated in the house only. We can keep one
Yeah, ma'am.
oxygen concentrate. Actually, you know one
Yeah,
thing. Actually, yeah, yesterday I was discussing in New York City and in Delhi, where the pollution is very high, they were using this one oxygen concentrated in their home. Yeah,
yeah,
if it is possible, we can use it in nearby cities which are highly polluted. We can use carbon capture also. So
yeah,
just
ma'am.
enlighten us and conclude. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, yes, ma'am. We can actually reduce the CO2 in the atmosphere by implementing this carbon capture technology in the major cities that has been producing more these greenhouse gases. One solution I would like to say, like all of us commonly saying that usage of electrical vehicles, we can reduce the emissions or like this. Actually, this may be impossible. Like we cannot convert every vehicle into electrical vehicle, but major vehicles like heavy transport trucks and aircraft, if that would be made into electric, it may be a little bit effective. Yeah, ma'am. Like if we also implement air filters, air purifiers in some places, it might be also useful to reduce CO2 concentration, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Shashank. Nice
Yeah,
conclusion about one is electric vehicles is not possible. Only we can keep in
yeah, yeah, ma'am.
trucks and also where the
Yeah, ma'am.
transportation is getting. And also you
Heavy
said another
investments.
one, another last solution you said about.
Yeah, ma'am. Implementing air purifiers, ma'am.
Yeah, air
Like
purifier.
heavily polluted areas, we can use air
Yeah,
purifiers.
that is because we can implement through government only, right?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah,
Wherever the pollution in the centers of traffic where the pollution is going on,
yeah, ma'am.
we can implement it. Very very nice
Yeah,
and good solutions by you. Thank you, Shashank.
yeah, ma'am.
Okay, now we are coming to Manikim. Manikim, just conclude. What do you want to say about how I think you were actually telling like some established environmentalists are there actually biodiversity because Greta, you heard about
Yes,
her,
ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
I
she's
know.
a great activist. So
Yes, ma'am.
I saw in one interview with Attenborough, uh, I mean Sir David Attenborough,
Mm,
she was
yes, ma'am.
talking about how we need to save the biodiversity. Yeah, her topic also like how we need to save the biodiversity. We are just enjoying everything and animals are not getting anything. So she was changing her topic from environment to biodiversity also. So okay, it's a burning topic now. Come on,
Yes, ma'am.
just conclude your solutions.
So,
How can we save them,
the,
right?
yes, ma'am. This world is not for only for humans, ma'am. This world is also for all the living organisms, like from invertebrates, from protozoans to the uh, to highly evolved species like
Okay,
humans.
can I
But
just come one single doubt? Coronavirus is also a living organism, so it is giving its mark. It's giving its mark on us, right? So
some
that will happen
organisms,
if all the organisms live. You are just we are seeing your house backside. In that house, all the living organisms will have one room. They will tell you just get out of this. We are also having this share. So just
yes, ma'am.
sorry for interrupting you. Just go on.
Okay,
Yeah, I
okay.
just remember about coronavirus and came in.
Some organisms benefits us, ma'am. Like yeast, the bacteria, and some organisms affects us by causing so many diseases.
Yes.
So we need to save all the organisms for the environment sustainability.
Okay. For the environmental sustainability, we need to save the organism. Okay, right. Nice.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
nice. Okay. Thank you, Manikyam, for giving
Thank you, ma'am.
your valuable suggestion. Like we need to save environment. We need to save. I mean, species diversity, because it ultimately it's like a experimental lab. We are seeing all those things extend, and ultimately we will be extend, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you
So
can reflect us.
I want to note here famous
Yes.
environmentalist Wangari Maathai
Okay.
is also said, so there is no beast, there is without beast, there is no man. So
Yeah.
without animals, there is no man, because
So. Hmm.
humans are depend upon animals and plants. So we need
Yeah.
to conserve them and preserve them.
Yeah, it's a very nice quote.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you for giving a environmentalist quote. And also, I think
Yes, thank you.
we are in a fight, in a battle with all those species.
Yes, ma'am.
I mean, coronavirus is representing them now, and they just we are locking inside and we are keeping meetings like this, right? Yeah, okay. Okay, thank you, Manikyam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Divakar, are you there? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please give your solution on this, on your topic. This is a conclusion, I think. Okay, just conclude how we can give the solution. You saw last two speakers, right?
Ma'am, according to me, before cutting a tree, the person should plant at least two or three plants, ma'am. Maybe that may be good, ma'am.
Okay, planting two or three while cutting one tree. Wow, nice kind of solution. Are there any solutions, other solutions, Divakar? Are you hearing us?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
by reducing the GM crops,
Mm,
we can save the environment,
mm,
ma'am. I mean, in many countries, GM crops are banned, ma'am.
mm. In India, I think.
Um, in not only in India, ma'am. In some places they are generating, they are producing now, ma'am.
Okay, why are you so much hating GM crops? I actually don't know, because they only modified their genes, right? We are also modified from protozoa to human beings. We modified our genes and came up to this level. So modification of gene is in our hands. So we are becoming gods by creating GM crops, right?
Yes, ma'am. But that is man-made, right, ma'am?
Yeah, man-made. Yeah, why? If it is man-made or
Mm,
nature-made,
yeah,
it's
ma'am.
modified in ATGC. That's all.
Okay,
Only
ma'am.
ATGC are there, no? What we are reading in genetic code.
Ma'am, we are all depend on plants, ma'am. Right?
Yeah.
Um,
So we don't have authority to change them, right?
no, ma'am, not like that. Mm, plants, plants are not able to take the CO2. I mean, if the plants are, if the pollination doesn't occur, then the CO2 maybe increase with lack of trees and plants.
Lack of sink. Okay, right. Lack of sink for CO2. If there is no absorption of CO2, it may also rise the CO2 and gradually again going to greenhouse effect, again to global warming, right? Divakar?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And finally,
Yeah,
it leads to grand extinction, ma'am.
grand extension, sixth mass extension,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Already five mass extensions has occurred without our hand, right? This will occur with our hand, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, some are saying that we are in the mid of sixth mass extension. You know about that?
No, ma'am.
Actually, so much of species has been already lost, and so much of organisms has already in the vulnerable list. And so now they are telling that we are in a sixth mass extension. Actually, up to five, we are not kept any hand on the five mass extensions. They only had used all the GM crops, whatever there is, and whatever the pollution they created, they used the trucks, everything, and created pollution, and they had extended. Actually, one thing I am sure, while we are seeing this cyanobacteria, blue green algae, they are the one resembling us, because they only first time existed oxygen into the environment, polluted the environment with oxygen. So only we came, actually. The result of the pollution of blue green algae resulted in human beings. Actually, this is the truth. So pollution is also somewhat good for us. If now we are extension, in the near future, maybe we can see some artificial intelligent robots just going on roads, right? Okay, thank you for all of you. If you add anything, just raise your hand. If you want to conclude anything in this, just raise your hand, or we'll conclude.
Yes, ma'am. We can. It is a high time to discover on to do research on biorobotics.
Mm.
So for the cleaning
Now,
purpose.
our biodiversity candidate is speaking about robotics.
That's not robotics. By using the biological organisms, we can made
So now again,
biorobotics.
Divakar will say, don't use genetically modified
No,
organisms.
absolutely no.
Absolutely no, right. Nice, two opposite candidates are there. What about you? Anything on GM crops or robotics, Shashank?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, if we, as Manikam said, biorobotics. Yes, ma'am, it's absolutely useful, ma'am.
It's very useful
If
because
we,
we don't get easily we can get all the parts also manufactured. If we change our brain into them, we can easily manufacture it. We just go and keep the current and we can take food,
yeah,
right?
ma'am.
Yeah, then there will be no creation of carbon dioxide or pollution or anything. If you want to go to Puttur, you will just run and go. Because we are robots, right? Yeah, that will be the future solution. By extension of us, if we go on creating pollution and then we extend, and again the new species will evolve, right? Yeah, that
Yeah,
is biorobotics. Okay. Thank you for all.
Biorobotics.
Yeah, we'll come.
thank you, ma'am.
We'll again see in the next session. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you,
okay,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thanks.
Okay. Bye.